Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have these interesting functional equations. We are given f of x minus 1 over x equals x divided by x plus 1. Our goal is to find f of x from this x minus 1 over x. We want to reduce x minus 1 over x into f of x. And how do we solve this? Pause this video, give it a try, and let's solve it step by step. If we consider the solution, let's try to understand the domain before we start solving anything. If x is a member of real number, then we are going to look at some number in this real number that will not satisfy this. First is, if x equals to 0, we are not going to have a defined equations. Therefore, this thing is going to be neglected, that is, x must not be equals 0. And also, we're still going to have x not equals minus 1. And how does it related? So it works for this domain, but it does not work for this output. At x equals minus 1 here, we're going to have undefined. So therefore, only x equals to 0 and x equals to 1 does not satisfy this. And after understanding this domain, let's try to solve this step by step. In this video, we are going to be applying the method of substitution method to solve this. Here we have to let x minus 1 divided by x equals another variable. And let's say I choose letter t, where t and x are members of real number. So if I divide this by 1, let's make this x the subject of the formula. So if I cross multiply, we have x minus 1 equals xt. Then we take this 1 to other side, as we have x equals xt plus 1. And also I need x. We take this xt to this left hand side, where plus becomes minus xt equals 1. So next step is to factor out x. By taking out x, we are going to have to divide this x by x, and this is 1. Also divide this xt by x, we have it as minus t equals 1. And next step is we divide both sides by 1 minus t, as we have 1 minus t here, also here 1 minus t. If 1 minus t cancelled 1 minus t, we are going to have x equals 1 divided by 1 minus t. This is the value of x. Then we are going to take back the substitution into the right hand side. But if you are just coming to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Since x we got is 1 divided by x minus 1, we take it here. We have x already, which is this. And what about x plus 1? So for every x plus 1, we are going to have, here is t. For every x plus 1, we change it to t, as x is given as 1 over t minus 1, then plus 1. If I divide this 1 by 1, I look at the LCM. So this gives us, LCM is t minus 1. Then here is 1 plus t minus 1 times 1 gives us t minus 1. Okay. And then we are going to have to cancel this and this, where we have t divided by, there is actually an oversight here. So this is not t minus 1, it is 1 minus t. Here is 1 minus t, and also this changed to 1 minus t. So this is 1 minus t. So these are two different things, so you have to take note of it. You have 1 plus 1, that gives us 2 minus t divided by 1 minus t. So this is for x plus 1. And on getting this, we are going to substitute. Finally, we have f of, for x minus 1 over x, that gives us t, then equals, for every x, we have it as 1 divided by 1 minus t, then all divided by x plus 1 is given as 2 minus t over 1 minus t. Then to make this thing very simple, this is the general division. We can make it short as 1 over 1 minus t, then divided by 2 minus t divided by 1 minus t. If this is cleared, then we are going to take the reciprocal, as we have 1 over 1 minus t multiplied by 1 minus t comes up, divided by 2 minus t. So for 1 minus t, we have both of them up and down. This cancelled, and this equation reduced to, f of t equals 1 over 2 minus t. And by changing t to x, we have f of x equals 1 divided by 2 minus x. So this is the final solution to this. And how can we know the domain of A? So this is x. Suppose I let 2 minus x equals to 0. Then this shows that x equals 2. If x equals to 2, it does not satisfy this problem. So x must not equal to 2. Therefore, x is a member of real number. And how can we verify for this if this is truly equal? Let's check. To check what we get, since what we have is f of x from the original equations, so we have f of x minus 1 divided by x equals 1 divided by, we have 2 minus x, but instead of putting that x here, since the domain of this has changed now, so the solution we get is f of x equals to 1 over 2 minus x. So I'm now changing x to x minus 1 over x. So therefore this x also changed to x minus 1 divided by x. So if this changes, we are going to have to take the LCM, as we have 1 divided by 2 times x gives 2x. We open this bracket, x minus 1 with negative, and this gives minus x plus 1 divided by x. So here we have 1 divided by 2x minus x gives us x, then plus 1 divided by x. And with this, we have to take x up, and our f of x minus 1 over x, this gives us x divided by x plus 1. So this is our original equation, which means the solution we got is the answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.